Is it the right time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we will be delving deep into Google. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, November 3, 2023. Today, we will provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to stay informed by subscribing, liking this video, and turning on the notification bell. We'll keep you updated with any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of October 31, 2023, our system has given Google a hold/accumulate ranking with a score of 0.12. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Despite some natural fluctuations, the stock has actually gained 4.05%. This means that on average, the stock has been returning 1.01% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. The stock is currently moving in a wide and horizontal trend, indicating potential future movements within this range. Based on the past 3 months, there is a projected 1.32% change in the stock's value over the next 3 months. The potential return during this period can range from -3.98% to 10.51%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 59.49% change in the stock's value over the next year. The potential return during this period can range from 52.29% to 77.87%. This translates to a price range of $198.55 to $231.89 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Google reveals that the stock price went up by 1.39% on Friday. On the last trading day, which was Friday, November 3, 2023, the Google stock price increased from $128.58 to $130.37, marking a gain of 1.39%. This marks the third consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if this positive trend continues or if there will be a slight pause in the coming days. Throughout the trading day, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $129.01 and a high of $130.73, reflecting a 1.33% variation. Although the price has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days, it is still down by -4.66% during this period. The trading volume decreased by -2 million shares on the last day, with a total of 19 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $2.46 billion. It's important to note that a decrease in volume at higher prices can indicate a divergence and may be an early warning sign of potential changes in the next few days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $142.38, while the lowest was $83.88. Currently, the price stands at 8.44% or $12.01 below the 52-week high. It is also 94.84% or $2,396.62 below the all-time high, which was reached on June 11, 2021, at $2,526.99. Analyst Ratings. On Wednesday, October 25, 2023, Needham upgraded Google to a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, July 26, 2023, Susquehanna gave Google a positive grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, July 26, 2023, KeyBank upgraded Google to an overweight grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, May 24, 2023, JMP Securities gave Google a market outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, May 4, 2023, Credit Suisse assigned Google a neutral grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Google stock a general rating of buy. They highly recommend the stock based on its PE ratio and price to book, both rated as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have a more neutral rating. Today, we'll be discussing the signals identified for Google stock. The stock signals for Google are a bit mixed. In the short term, the moving average suggests a buy signal. However, in the long term, the average indicates a general sell signal. This is because the long-term average is above the short-term average, leading to a more negative forecast for the stock. If the stock continues to rise, it may face resistance at the long-term moving average of $134.21. On the other hand, if it falls, there might be some support at the short-term average of $126.34. Breaking through the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while falling below the short-term average will strengthen the general sell signal. In addition, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, currently shows a sell signal. On Friday, October 27, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 5.65% increase so far. This suggests a further rise until a new top pivot is found. However, it's important to note that despite gaining prices, the volume of the stock fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is recommended to closely monitor the stock. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. One signal you should pay attention to is the moving average convergence divergence, which is currently indicating a sell signal. Another signal to consider is the pivots, which gave a buy signal 6 days ago. The Bollinger Indicator also provided a buy signal 6 days ago. The short-term moving average is showing a buy signal that occurred 4 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average gave a sell signal 9 days ago. Additionally, the relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 8 days ago. Now let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average gave a sell signal 9 days ago. However, the long-term moving average provided a buy signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages also indicated a buy signal 159 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Google. Google has found support from accumulated volume at $126.67. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as it is expected to trigger an upward reaction when tested. With average movements throughout the day and good trading volume, the risk associated with this stock is considered to be medium. In the previous day, the stock had a price range of $1.72 or 1.33% between its high and low points. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.88%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Google, it's important to cover some fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Google's PE ratio is within the normal range, which is often seen in companies with a long history and steady revenue. Moving on, the next earnings report for Google's fourth quarter in 2023 is expected to be released on February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings per share are at $1.60. It's crucial to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Google. If Google experiences an upward trend, we can look at the first resistance level at $135.49. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before considering entering a position. For those who already own the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Google encounters its first support level at $126.67. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point with the anticipation of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Google has received a combined average rating of buy. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On October 30, 2023, Arnold Francis conducted an insider sell of 250 shares of Class C capital stock. On October 27, 2023, Raghavan Prabhakar conducted an insider buy of 32,168 shares of Class C capital stock. On October 26, 2023, Raghavan Prabhakar conducted an insider buy of 16,190 shares of Class C capital stock. On October 26, 2023, Raghavan Prabhakar conducted an insider sell of 16,190 shares of Class C capital stock. On October 27, 2023, Raghavan Prabhakar conducted an insider sell of 32,168 shares of Class C capital stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -89.160. Overall, insiders have purchased 396,754 shares and sold 7,205,216 shares in the last 100 trades. We recommend setting the stop loss at $125.02, which represents a decrease of 4.11%. This particular stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, resulting in a moderate level of risk. We have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 5 days ago. Is Google stock a good buy? While Google does have some positive signals, we don't believe they are strong enough to consider it a good buy. It would be better to hold or accumulate this position and wait for further development. Our analysis of the volatility and movements from the previous trading day indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, November 6, we anticipate Google opening down by $0.333 and starting trading at $130.04. Before we dive into the exciting world of trading, it's important to remember that it comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions in the stock market. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be your sole basis for investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We're excited to share our current view of the stock with you. We value your opinion, so please let us know if you agree or disagree in the comments below. We're also curious to hear what your target for the stock is. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on all our future videos. Our team at StockInvest wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day.